Hi guys, good morning. Itong ating breakfast ngayon, meron tayong tuyo. Meron tayong egg, meron tayong Paris na natira. Yan ang ating beef Paris. Meron tayong shake, banana shake. Meron tayong mga banana. Meron tayong sinangag. Yan ang ating breakfast for today's video guys. Tuyo, banana shake. Meron tayong cake, banana cake, banana shake. Meron tayong egg, toyo or dry fish, tayong beef Paris. Yan ang ating sinangag. Yan lang guys ang ating breakfast for today's video. Tsaka saging, ayan ang ating saging. Simpleng ulam. Yan ang ating almusal guys. Thank you so much for watching guys. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Bye for now. See you on my next video guys. Thank you so much.